If the currency displayed on Facebook Marketplace is not correct and you want to change currency on it, you can follow the simple steps. First of all, open your Facebook application on your mobile device, either Facebook Lite or Facebook application. Log into your account and click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. From here, scroll down and go to Settings, that is under Settings and Privacy. Once you're here, scroll down and then go to Payment section. There you will see the option of Ads Payment, where you can manage your payment info and activity. Tap on it. Once you're in the Billing and Payment section, scroll down and go to Payment. You will come across various options to add your payment method, go through your payment activity, and your business info. Tap on Business Info. In this page, you will be able to set your country, your currency and time zone, your business name, business address, personal account number, and all. But currently, we are looking to change currency. We're going to click on Currency over here. Tap on this drop-down menu. In the search bar, type in the currency that you want to set, and then tap on Save in the bottom of the screen and you'll be done. Now restart the Facebook application and check if the marketplace currency has been updated. So the currency is generally determined by your location and language settings. If you're in the wrong region, consider using a VPN or updating your profile location. After making any changes, restart the app to ensure that the updates take effect. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.